Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! Guess what? There's another mystery box. And this one's really, really good. There's something in here. It's never been in any mystery boxes at all. I think almost everything in here has never actually been in any of the mystery boxes.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
You get the Glitter Gel Brights pen set. Glitter, gel, these are amazing. You want to see how amazing they are? Look at them on black and on white. Look how glittery they are. Can you see that? They're amazing. My favorite. Cricut, you outdid yourself with these. And before I go on and show you everything else that's in the box, they did something else special. This is a special Thanksgiving box. So with this mystery box, it's for the United States only because it does contain Disney products. They gave us free shipping! Yay! Thank you, Cricut. Our discount code doesn't work unless we add more to our cart to get it up to $50. So let's add this to our cart. All right, $39.99. Let's view the cart. Okay, so for just the mystery box, for me to ship this to Florida, it's gonna cost $10.24 for shipping. I do get my access discount of $4, but this says free shipping. Let's go ahead and click checkout and see what happens. All right, once I click checkout, the free shipping came off. It says free shipping for mystery box and the premium 10%. Let's see what happens if we put in my code. Melody Lane, no spaces. Let's click apply. And coupon code is not valid because they've changed the coupon code. It is not valid unless we put in $50. So let's go back shopping. I'm just gonna go ahead and click on Cricut name. We're gonna click on shop. I have so many supplies, but you know what? You can never have enough blades. Let's go ahead and order another premium fine point blade. That's $7.50. Oh, let's add to that to the cart. So we're not quite up to 50 yet. We're at $47.49. I love Cricut cardstock paper. I'm gonna just click on paper. Now you can buy other tools or mats or anything you want. I'm going to, oh, you know what? Let's go over here. All their stuff is 50% off. Look. $4 for the Spooktacular? Is that new? I've never seen that one. Seriously. So cute. Okay, black. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Love it. Okay, I'm going to add that to the cart. I'll get a head start on Halloween next year. That's only $4. So now the total is $51.49. That should be enough. Let's click on checkout. Okay, our subtotal is $51.49. We don't have any shipping. I don't have any tax for Florida. So the discount with my premium access is $5.15. So my total is $46.34. But let's add in my code. Melody Lane, no spaces, click apply. Your coupon was successfully applied. Yay! Now my total is only $41.79. This is a huge value because this mystery box is the best ever. It's amazing. So make sure you click the link in the description below or above if you're on Facebook. Just add a few things to your cart so you can save 10% on your complete order. All right, are you ready to see what else is in the mystery box? Besides these amazing Cricut glitter gel pens, how about some Mickey Mouse paper? Not one pack, but here's Disney princesses and Avengers. You get 3 packs. At the end of this video, I'll go through each paper. They're amazing papers and they're double-sided. There's some really amazing things in this box. This one is holographic sparkle vinyl. Now, if you got the last mystery box, you got holographic green and holographic blue. So with this one, you have red to totally complete your collection of red and green projects and red and blue projects. Let me show you all the premium vinyl you get. Yes, I said premium. Premium is amazing. It's their new vinyl. You're not getting the old stuff. You're getting the new stuff. It lays flat. It's easy to read. You're getting 28 feet of it. Let me show you the colors you get. You get 4 feet of removable turquoise, 4 feet of premium permanent glossy. Now, the permanent glossy, I put on some wine glasses. They've been in my dishwasher for 2 months now. They're still good. They're even intricate. It stays on in the dishwasher. At least mine did. And it runs and runs and runs. So, you get 4 feet of black. You get 4 feet of permanent glossy premium tomato red. 4 feet of premium permanent maize yellow. You get a sampler pack. You're getting 6 feet in here, and you get that beige, black, white, like a brown, maybe a gold. But you get 12 inches of each color, and the bright sampler. A foot of each color and 6 more feet. So that makes a total of 32 feet of vinyl in this mystery box. These amazing gel pens and the paper. Now remember, you can only use my code if your total is $50 or more. So if you want to hurry up and buy this, because they're going to sell out really, really fast. This is an amazing mystery box. I don't know how fast it's going to go. I don't know how many they have. It could sell out in 12 hours. It could sell out in a few days. I don't know, but I think it's going to go really fast. All right, let's look at the papers. So you get 2 papers of each one in each packet. This is the Avengers packet. This is the front, and that's the back, and you get 2 of these. So here's the front and the back, front and the back. I love this one because I'm not a huge Avengers fan, but I would totally use the back of this paper. Front and back. So it's red on one side, blue on the other. Otherwise, they're the same image. Front and back. And this is kind of the same on the front and back. It's the same image. And here's the princess pack. So here's the front, and then the back can be used without being princess. And there's 2 of each of these. Or actually, it goes this way. I'm holding it upside down. Beauty and the Beast. And the back, and the front, and the back. Just has some roses on it. Aladdin princess. Awesome. And then we have Mickey and Minnie. Look how cute that is. This is so cute. And this is the back. Mickey. This is like so classic Mickey. Love it. And the back. Great for masculine cards. Love this one, and love the back. And this one, so cute, with Pluto. And the back, get a little bit of everybody on there. You get a little head of Mickey, Minnie, and Donald Duck. And in the back, you have Mickey with some stars. And last but not least, you get Donald Duck. And the back just has stars. All right, you guys. There is a link in the description. I only get commission if you use that link. Not using my discount code does not give me commission. It's only for you to save money and get some free shipping. All right, guys. I love you. Have the best Thanksgiving ever. Go eat too much. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.